Hi students, in the previous slide, as you know, about five kingdom classification made by R.H. Whittaker. In that classification we seen five kingdoms. In that one of the important thing is kingdom Monera, or you may call kingdom prokaryotes. We will understand some points, some main features about the same kingdom Monerans, or you may call prokaryotes in this slide. As you know, in these monerans there is no definite nucleus, so they are called as prokaryotes. No definite nucleus means what it is? What is the meaning? Whatever the genetic material present, that is not covered by nuclear membrane, means no true nucleus, that is called as a nucleoid. And in some bacteria like Escherichia coli, you can see a small ring like double stranded DNA, that is called as a plasmids. In these two first points you understand about the genetic material, which is linear as well as circular. Linear is called as a nucleoid and circular is called as a plasmid. Then about plasma membrane, you know about this one, which is made up of lipids and proteins. Also you may call cell membrane, that present beneath the cell wall and enclose the cytoplasm. In some monerans they have hair-like structures called pili, which are mainly helpful for attachment to any substratum. Means if any monerans, means bacteria, is attaching to our body, means how it is possible? Because of pili. They are called as attachment structures, and they have tail-like structures called flagella, or you may call flagellum, for locomotory functions. When you think about nutrition in these monerans, they undergo photosynthetic process, means you seen in cyanobacteria, they may be photosynthetic or you may call chemosynthetic. In photosynthetic bacteria they have pigments, chlorophyll pigments, and thereby they can prepare their own food like nostoc. In some chemosynthetic bacteria they oxidize inorganic substances and thereby they are getting energy. When you come across with reproduction, it is asexual through binary fission, as well as sexual by conjugation. Means in conjugation transformation of DNA takes place. In this conjugation, pili, you may call also sex pili, are helpful for the transformation of DNA from one cell to another cell. Diffusion, what do you mean by diffusion? Movement of molecules from higher to lower concentration. So here we can see in the monerans, circulation and digestion takes place through diffusion. Bacteria, or you may call monerans, some of them are useful, some of them are harmful. In our body, digestion also mainly takes place through some bacteria, as well as they are also helpful in industries for the manufacture of antibiotics and in curd formation. Some bacteria are harmful or you may call pathogenic. They can cause disease like cholera. Some chemosynthetic bacteria are very helpful for the recycling of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. You can notice, okay, in these main features, they are very helpful for us. Most of the monerans, they can survive in a harsh or you may call extreme habitats. Also one of the main feature of these bacteria. They also help in nitrogen fixation, decomposition, in so many ways helpful as well as also pathogenic. When you come across with the best examples like bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. In these mycoplasma is one of the important example because they are the smallest monerans and don't have cell wall and can survive in the absence of oxygen and also pathogenic. Bacteria are very small and their size generally ranges from 0.2 to 1.5 micrometer in diameter and 2 to 10 micrometer in length. In the next slide we will understand about types of bacteria and different variety of bacteria and their main features.